This is the same question that we did by big M method. Now what we will do is, we will use another method. It is same. What is the first equation? 2x1 plus x2 minus s1. So whenever there is minus of something, whenever it is greater than, we will add a1, which is equal to 2. So sorry, give me a second. Okay, which is equal to 2. Now second equation will be x1 plus 3x2. Since it is less than, this will come with s2 is equal to 2, and the third equation is x2 plus s3 is equal to 4. Now we will do another method to solve this, which is called two-phase method. You have not used this in your second year also, but this is a very simple and very easy method where you will be able to avoid M. What is the problem in M? M gives large multiplication. It gives trouble. Okay, there is a large multiplication trouble. Okay, so if you want to avoid this large multiplication trouble, there is another method. In exam, if it is mentioned, you have to solve it by two-phase. Okay, then you have to solve it by two-phase. But if it is not mentioned, you can use either of the method. So when do you use two-phase? Whenever there is a mixed constraint. Like what is the condition for big M? When there are mixed constraint, we solve it by big M. Similarly, if there are mixed constraint, we can even solve it by two-phase. Now, how does a two-phase happen? Two phases, like we solve the question in two phases. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll introduce the first phase to you. Okay, what is the first phase? In first phase, we consider the Z to be 0. 0x1 plus 0x2 plus 0s1 plus 0s2 plus 0s3. We consider all the variable. The main variable as well as the slack variable to be equal to 0, except we consider a to be a multiple of -1. Okay, we consider a to be a multiple of -1. Rather than having it to be a multiple of -m, we consider it to be a multiple of -1. This is the first phase. I'll explain you the second phase when we complete the first phase. Now what we will do it as we used to do in big M or simplex method. Now what I'll do is I'll just put the variables x1, x2, S1, S2, S3 and A1. Okay. Now, what is the value in Z Cj value? What is the value of Cj? 0. The new Cj that we have got 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and this will be -1. Okay, RHS. Okay. Now what we will put? We will put the constraint values, constraint constants. So 2, 1, -1, 0, 0, 1. Okay. Another is 1, 3, 0, 1, 0, 0. Another one is 0, 1, then 0, 0, 1, 0. Now we need to find Zj minus Cj. Similar way, Zj minus Cj for the identity matrix will be equal to 0. The variables which are entering is A1 is at first place, S2 will be at second place, S3 will be at third place. Now, what is the value of this in Z? Coefficients का value जो भी है Z में, what is the value? This will be -1, this will be 0, this will be 0. Okay, we have to consider this. Now we need to do simple things. -1 into what we used to do, -1 into 2. So -2 minus 0 will be -2. Okay, now this will be 0 only. So -1 into this is -1. So -1, all things are 0. So -1 minus 0 will be -1. Okay, this will become C. This is coming out to be -1 into -1 is 1. Okay, 1 and everything is 0. So 1 minus 0 is 1. So we have got some value. What is the RHS? RHS का value क्या था? 2, 2, 4. So I'll write the RHS. 2, 2, 4. Similarly, RHS will be -2. 0 into 2 will be 0. 0 into 4 will be 0. So -2 plus 0 plus 0. So -2 and this is 0. -2 minus 0 will be -2. You need not write this value. But you can write this because it is not having M. So your calculation will not get difficult. Actually, Z cannot be negative. But still, if you want to use that matrix multiplication to find all the answers, you can use it. But if you don't want to use it, it's okay. If you don't want to use it, don't use. Because this is not a real answer. Because it is having which variable? It is having which variable? It is having artificial variable actually in the solution. So what we will do, which is the most negative? -2. So we have to divide RHS. Okay, to find theta. Theta is nothing but Bi by Ai. BI is our RHS, AI is nothing but the coefficient of that pivot column. Okay, so 2 by 2 is 1, 2 by 1 is 2, 4 by 0 not possible, which is the least positive? 1. Okay, so what we will do in the next iteration, I'll just show you what is the next iteration. In the next iteration, what will leave? A1 will leave, and what will enter? X1 will enter. So X1 will enter, S2 will be as it is, S3 will be as it is, X1 will be, X1 का वैल्यू अब क्या है, Z में क्या है वही देखना, Z में क्या है 0, भूल जाओ जो पहले था, Z में क्या है 0, this is also 0, this is also 0. This is such a funny concept. You can see, you will understand it later. 1 0 0, all things are 0, so you know Zj will be 0 because these variables are 0. If these variables are 0, you are pretty sure Zj will be 0. Zj minus Cj will be 0. I hope you are getting. ठीक है, तो 1 0 0, S2 will be 0 1 0, S3 will be 0 0 1. You know Zj minus Cj, Zj minus Cj, for all this will be 0. Okay, all this will be 0. Okay, now what do we need to do? We need to find the other value. So we have to find the pivot column. So this is the key element. Pivot row and pivot column ka combination will give me key element. So this should be 1, 2 by 2 is 1, 1 by 2 is 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 will be minus 1 by 2, 0 by 2 0, 0 by 2 0, 1 by 2 is 1 by 2, 2 by 2 is 1. Okay, now we need to find this value. This value will be 2 into 3 minus 1. Is it right? So 6 minus 1, 5. So this will come out to be 5 by 2. Okay. Now we need to find this value. 2 minus 0 divided by 2. This will come out to be 1. Now we need to find this value. 2 into 0 is 0. Minus minus plus 1 by 2. 1 divided by 2. Right? 2 into 0, 0 into minus 1. Whatever it might be the signature. All are coming out to be 0. 0 by 2 is 0. Now we need to find this. What will be this value? 2 into 0 minus 1. So this is coming out to be minus 1 by 2. Now we need to find this value. 2 into 0, 0 into 1. This will again come out to be 0. Now we need to find this value. What will be this value? 2 into 2, 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 by 2 is 1. I hope I am doing the correct calculation. If there is any error, put it in the chat. 2 into 4, 8. 8 minus 2 into 0, 0. So 8 minus 0 will be 8. 8 by 2 will be 4. Okay, so we have got some value. Now we need to find if this all are positive or not. Okay, so now what do we need to do? We need to find this value. To find this value, we will go here. So minus 2, you can see this, plus 2. And we already know 0 into 0, 0 into half is 0, 0 into 5 by 2 is 0, 0 into 1 is 0, 0 minus 0 will be what? 0. So we can do it either way. This will be 0. All this multiplication with this term will give me 0 only. So just we have to check this. If this is 0, this will come out to be 0. So all are positive. Now we just need to find this value. Look at this. How do we find this? We can do it this way. Either way we can do. So we will do it by this way. 2 into 0, 0. Then this one value minus 2 का plus हो जाएगा. बराबर? Plus ना? तो क्या हो जाएगा ये? Plus 2 divided by 2 will be 1. Is it right? 1. You can do it either way. यहाँ से भी देख लो. 0 into half, 0, 0 into minus half, 0, 0 into 0, 0. Minus of minus क्या हो जाएगा? Minus of minus क्या हो जाएगा? Plus. तो देखो plus 1 आ रहा है कि नहीं? So what have you understood by this? Just look at this thing. What have you understood? You have found out something very innovative, that all Zj minus Cj are greater than equal to 0. I hope you understood. All Zj minus Cj, you can see all Zj minus Cj are greater than equal to 0, and there is no artificial variable, right? There is no artificial variable. So what do we do in first phase? In first phase, we try to eliminate artificial variable. Okay, we have eliminated artificial variable and we have made all Zj minus Cj to be 0. If Zj minus Cj would not have been greater than equal to 0, we would have carried our calculation even in spite of artificial variable getting removed. Okay, so this is our first solution. Just look at this solution. Okay, now what do we need to do? Now we need to frame a second. I'll just delete it for my sake so that I get some space. Now just for my sake, what I'll do, just give me a second. Give me a second. Now what I'll do, I'll start with the second phase. So I'll explain you what is the second phase like. We are going to complete inshallah today on time. 1 second. So we are just 1 second. Why is this not working? Give me a second. Now in second phase, what do we do? I'll just explain you in second phase. we consider the original z. What was the original z? What is the original z? Original z 3x1 minus x2. So we will consider it to be 3x1 minus x2 plus 0s1 plus 0s2, okay, plus 0s3. Remember this thing, what I am saying, okay? Plus 0s1 plus 0s2 plus 0s3. We will forget artificial variable. Now what we will do in the second phase, we will only consider this part. I hope you're getting. We will only consider this much, this much thing, and we will rewrite the table. Okay. Now if we want to rewrite the table, I think I have drawn it somewhere. No, I have not drawn. So what I'll do, I have to rewrite this table. So just look at this thing, what I'm going to do. I have to rewrite. So what I'll do here is, I'll write, suppose I'm writing here x1, x2, s1, s2, s3. Forget about a. Now what are the values that I've got from the last iteration? 1, 0, 0. What is this? 0, 1, 0. I'm just copying it. 0, 0, 1. What is this value? This is half. I think it was half only. Yeah. Half or minus half? Half. This was 5 by 2. Just check it once. Okay. This is minus 1. This is minus half. This is half. This is 0. Copy all the things as it is. Okay. Except don't copy this. A को भूल जाओ. A वाली रो को भूल जाओ. अब इसको कॉपी करने की जरूरत नहीं. ओके. तो हमने क्या कर दिया, A को भूल गए. अब क्या करना, CJ की एक्चुअल वैल्यू क्या रहेगी वो लिखना. देखो CJ हम यहाँ लिखते हैं, सपोज करो CJ क्या रहेगा, इसके हिसाब से CJ लिखेंगे सेकेंड फेज में. तो क्या रहेगा, दिस विल बी 3, दिस विल बी -1, this will be 0, 0, 0. Now what are the variables that have already entered? We have to keep as it is. So this is x1, this is s2, this is s3. Earlier the values were 0, 0, 0. Now we have to change it with respect to this. x1 की वैल्यू क्या है, अब x1 की वैल्यू 3 है, s1 की वैल्यू, s2 की वैल्यू 0 है, इसकी वैल्यू 0 है. Now again find zj minus cj. RHS भी वैसी कॉपी कर दो जो पहले आया था. RHS क्या आया, 1, 1, 4. लिख दो वैसे. Okay, now we need to find zj minus cj. So 3 into 1 is, we already know this will be 0, this will be 0. We already know this will be 0. We can't copy this two term. ये नहीं कॉपी करना, क्योंकि हमने ये चेंज किया. चेंज किया कि नहीं, हमने ये भी चेंज किया, सीजे भी चेंज किया या नहीं, तो ऑटोमेटिकली ये वैल्यू चेंज होगी या नहीं. तो यही तो 3 वैल्यू हमको मेन फाइंड करनी है. समझ रहा है. अगर ये पॉजिटिव आ गई तो हमारा आइट्रेशन खत्म. ओके, अगर पॉजिटिव नहीं आई तो सेम तरीके से वी विल प्रोसीड विद नेक्स्ट आइट्रेशन ऑफ सेकंड फेज. ओके, नाउ वी विल चेक दिस वैल्यू. व्हाट इज दिस वैल्यू, हाउ डू वी चेक? अगर हमको ये वैल्यू फाइंड करना है तो व्हाट वी विल डू, 3 into half. 3 into half is what, 3 by 2. 3 by 2 plus 0 into 5 by 2, 0, 0 into -1, 0. So what we are getting, 3 by 2 minus of minus क्या हो जाएगा, +1. 3 by 2 plus 1 is 5 by 2. Okay, now we need to find this value. So how do we find this value? Again 3 into minus half minus 3 by 2. This will be 0. This will be 0. I hope you are getting right now. So what we are getting, minus 3 by 2 minus 0. So this is coming out to be minus 3 by 2. Okay. So since this is coming out to be minus 3 by 2, we have to go with the second iteration. So this will enter the solution, right? So theta we need to find. So theta will be what, bi by ai. So 1 divided by minus half, not possible. 1 into 2, 2, 4 divided, not possible. ओके, यू कैन रिमेंबर द बिग एम. याद है बिग एम में 2 ही आया था लास्ट में, ऑलमोस्ट सेम है, सिर्फ ए एलिमिनेट हो गया है. अब क्या निकलेगा, S2 निकलेगा. S2 की जगह एंटर कौन करेगा, S1. तो देखो क्या हो गया, x1, S1, x3, S3, x1 कितना है 3. दिस इज 0, दिस इज 0. आई होप यू आर गेटिंग. ठीक है, तो व्हाट डू वी नीड टू राइट, 1, 0, 0. S1 क्या रहेगा, 0, 1, 0. S3 क्या रहेगा, 0, 0, 1. क्या खत्म हो गया, what we are not even considering. A we are not even bothered to consider now since we have eliminated that thing. So we need to find what, zj minus cj. So this will be 0, this will be 0, this will be 0. What is my key element? Key element is half. So what I have to do, 0 into 2, 0. 5 by 2 into 2, 5 by 2 into 2, 5. 1 by 2 into 2, 1. 1 by 2, 1 by 1 into 2, 2. 0 into 2, 0. 1 into 2, 2. So we need to find this. So 1 by 4. Again it will be same, 1 by 4 plus 6 by 4. बराबर ना? So this will come out to be 6 by 4 into 2. How much it was? 3, I think. Okay, now we need to find this. This will be how much? Again, this will come out to be minus half. Minus half, is it right? Minus half. Okay, minus half into 2 will be minus 1. Okay, now if you need to find zj minus ej, see 9 into 3 into 3, 9. 9 plus 1 kitna hoga? 10. You can do it either way. You can even cross multiply. Again, last time we did 5 by 2 plus 15 by 2 will be 20 by 2 into 2. So for 20 by 4 into 2, so this will come out to be 10. Now we need to find this value. This will be what? 0 minus plus 1 ho jayega. This will be what? 0 minus 0 ho jayega. This will give me 3. You can see here 3. Okay, 3 minus 0 will give me what? 3. I hope we are getting. Okay, so we need to find this value. This will be what? How can we find this? This will be again 1 by 2 into 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 4 into 2 will be, is it right? 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, is it right? Are we doing it correctly? 1 by 2 minus of minus plus 1 by 2, 1 by 4 into 2. What we are getting is 1 by 2. Is it right? What was the answer? Just check it if you are getting it right. Just let me know in the chat if I am doing it correctly. 1 by 2 plus 1. Oh, so sorry. 1 by 2 into plus 1 by 2 is. So sorry. You see this? 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 1, not 1 by 4. I multiplied it by mistake. So this will come out to be 1 into 2 will be 2 only. Okay. Okay. Now this value will be again 4 by 2 minus 0. So 4 by 2 is 2. 2 into 2 is 4. So we have got this value. Now if we need to find this value, if we have not found it here, we can even find it here. This is coming out to be 3. Now we can find it here. 3 into 1 is how much? 3. So 3 minus 0 will be automatically 3. So what we can do, 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2 will be 6 by 2. 6 by 2 is 3. 3 into 2 will be 6. We can do it either way. It will be a correct answer. Okay, so what we have got, just check the answer. What we have got in the final iteration, I'll just write it. X1 is equal to 2. Since X2 is not there, you can see X2 is not there. So X2 will be equal to 0. And Z will be equal to what? Z is equal to 6. Has everyone understood? Okay.